Welcome back. You're still tuned into Business Lunch. Now, an important story. Earlier today, the NCLAT rejected Google's appeal seeking a stay of the 1,337 crore rupee penalty imposed on it by the CCI. Ashmit is here to fill us in with the latest. Ashmit?
Well, just for the benefit of our viewers, keep in mind that in the month of October is when the CCI had slapped a penalty of 1,300 crore rupees on Google on the charges of abusing its dominant market position, especially vis-a-vis Android mobile operating system for various phones. Now, that is the very order that was challenged before the NCLAT. What is urgent, what is important to keep in mind is that given that some time has lapsed between the order and between the case being heard before the NCLAT, that penalty amount of 1,300 crore rupees has become due and payable by Google, and that was the chief concern that was raised by Google as a part of its arguments. It went on to argue that, look, this is an order of CCI which is contrary to the practices that have taken place over a decade, that these are concerns that were in fact red flagged before the CCI, but it has not taken into consideration. Also gone on to say that there are factual errors, that the order of the CCI is in fact a case of plagiarizing an order that was passed in anti-competition practices in Europe. The broad takeaway here is that sum and substance of these arguments was that there is a stay that was sought by Google on the CCI order part 1 and of course also on that penalty amount of 1,300 crore rupees. The NCLAT, however, has refused to grant any interim stay. So that is coming as a big setback as far as Google is concerned. No stay on those Competition Commission orders, and also importantly, no stay on that penalty amount of 1,300 crore rupees. Now, what's important is that in the course of the arguments itself, Google had said that they will be looking to avail of legal remedies in case a stay is not granted. The only legal remedy that is available now is to challenge this order before the apex court. So the understanding that the lawyers gave NCLAT as well as to us speaking after the hearing is very clear that Google will not be sitting on this NCLAT order. This order, which has rejected their prayer for a stay on the CCI order, is now likely to be challenged before the apex court. So all eyes, the focus now turns from NCLAT to the apex court, which is where Google will now make its fresh case for seeking a stay of the CCI order as well as of that penalty amount of 1,300 crore rupees. Back to you.
It's a very important story, Ashmit, and let me tell you that a lot of global investors and MNCs with presence in India are watching it very closely. But good to see those warm jackets come out. We in Bombay don't have any such luck. So enjoy the winters, and thanks so much for all the details. All right, shifting gears then from Google-CCI case to my colleague Abhishek Kothari, who's standing by on the big wall to tell us all about securitization as part of our special series, Fin Street. Abhishek, take it away.
Well, in Fin Street today,